Hey folks, I just bought these key fobs off of eBay for my wife's 2008 Mustang convertible that she just bought to replace her PT Cruiser. The same procedure will work in most Fords. I already did this on the key fob off of my old F-150 to program it to her car, but I'll show you how to do this. Should work for most Fords, at least the older ones, so 2004 to 2014 probably. Might work for years outside of that. I don't know. It's super easy. Basically, make sure you have all the fobs around that you want to program for the car. Put your key in the ignition, and you need to turn it off and on 8 times within 10 seconds. On the 8th time, the locks are going to cycle, and that'll tell you it's in programming mode. And then you press a button on each of the remotes, and then turn off your key, and everything should work. So let's give this a shot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the lock's just cycled. Now, press a button. It's a good sign. Press a button. Good sign. And then we'll press a button on the other one that I had programmed. And turn her off. So let's test and see. Yep, perfect. Excellent. And the bonus, the reason that we bought these is because there's a trunk button. Let's see if it works. Trunk just popped. Awesome. So there you go, short and sweet. That's how you do it. Any questions, leave a comment. Thanks.